Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back to our English shadowing practice series. It's day 2. In this video, you will practice easy and useful English sentences. Just listen carefully and repeat after me. This will make your English strong, clear, and fluent. So let's start without wasting much time. The video is divided into 3 parts. Section 1 Daily routine sentences, Section 2 Daily activities sentences, and last one is Section 3 Useful everyday phrases. So you have to repeat after me each and every sentence. Okay, when you will repeat after me, your mouth muscles will stretch and it will more comfortable with English language. Now start. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day. I take a bath in the morning. I take a bath in the morning. I wear clean clothes. I wear clean clothes. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I like to drink tea. I like to drink tea. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I go to school. I go to school. I meet my friends at school. I meet my friends at school. I learn new things every day. I learn new things every day. Great, you have completed first section. Now let's move ahead. Section 2 Daily activities sentences. I read storybooks. I read storybooks. Come on, repeat after me. I read storybooks. I listen to music in my free time. I listen to music in my free time. I help my parents at home. I help my parents at home. I play with my friends in the evening. I play with my friends in the evening. I do my homework carefully. I do my homework carefully. I water the plants in the garden. I water the plants in the garden. I watch cartoons on TV. I watch cartoons on TV. I draw pictures sometimes. I draw pictures sometimes. I go to bed on time. I go to bed on time. I sleep peacefully at night. I sleep peacefully at night. Great, you did it well. You covered section 2. Now it's turn section 3. Useful everyday phrases. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? Or we can say, what is your name? What is your name? My name is Rahul. My name is Rahul. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going to the market. I'm going to the market. Can you help me? Can you help me? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, a special sentence for all of you is I will learn English. I will learn English. I will do practice every day. I will do practice every day. Now it's all about this session. I hope you enjoyed so much. Remember, practice makes you perfect. Okay? So great job friends. You did very well. Practice this video daily. Speak these sentences aloud and your English will improve day by day. I will see you in the next video with more fun shadowing practice. Till then, keep learning and keep smiling. Bye bye. Take care.